You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share some Glam Thrifted items. I'm doing some DIY Glam Bunny decor. I hope you enjoy.
Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that.
About 5 months ago, guys, I picked up this little stool from my local thrift store. It was just $5.
Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same.
I originally had a different idea in mind for the stool and started something that never finished it. So this little project got put on the back burner. Do you do projects like that where you're going to come back to them? I decided this weekend that I'd come back to my little stool.
Ready for that heartbreak.
What I did when I first got this was I sanded it back first of all, and I took my beautiful Rust-Oleum Blush Candy Pink spray paint and I gave the legs 2 coats. Now today I removed that orange fabric, and you can see here that I originally had done something with Chanel, but I decided not to do that today, guys. But I had a wonderful idea in mind by recovering the foam. I picked up this beautiful polka dot fabric from Spotlight, and I'm going to cover my little stool with black and white polka dots. Now I cut a piece to size with enough overhang, and what I did here is first of all ironed it so it'd be a nice smooth finish. Now rather than using staple guns, I simply wanted to hot glue the fabric in place. Luckily there was a little bit of timber underneath the foam, and this would be perfect for where I was going to hot glue. Now I glued each side down, but on the corners, guys, I overlapped them as if it was like a present. Just pulling the fabric extra tight, I glued it down first and then overlapped it. Once everything was glued in place, there was a little bit of overhang, so I took my scissors and trimmed that off. I then took this beautiful black pom-pom garland. It's a ribbon that I had 2 meters of. I picked this up from Spotlight and I hot glued that around the edge. I absolutely love how this little stool came, but I also wanted to add something extra for Easter. I wanted to add something that could be removed after the season is over, and I could still use my little stool all year round. Taking some of this glitter foam that I picked up from my local dollar store, I printed out a template of a cute little Easter bunny, and I traced it onto the black foam and cut it out. Now what I wanted to do here, guys, is put this on my little stool, but I want to be able to remove it once the season is over. So rather than using hot glue, I used a spray adhesive, which I find works perfectly when removing stuff without damage. I then took this little dollar store pom-pom and hot glued that to the bunny. Now I wanted to make a cute little bow for my bunny, so I just took a square little piece of the fabric and using my fingers I just pushed it together so it looks like a little bow tie, and with the other piece I joined them together in the middle. I then glued everything in place and I was absolutely in love with my adorable little bunny. I then moved on to my second DIY. I picked this piece of timber up from my local thrift store for just $1, and I knew it would be a perfect shape and size for an Easter sign that I had in mind. I took it outside and using my favourite Rust-Oleum blush candy pink, I gave it 2 coats. Now I mainly painted around the outside, guys, not focusing on the inside as I had another idea in mind for that. Taking these dollar store MDF letters, spelling the word Easter, I took them outside and also painted them blush candy pink. Now while they were drying, I cut a piece of that polka dot fabric, and what I'm going to do here is take that spray adhesive and I'm going to glue down the fabric in the middle with the adhesive. I glued everything in place and then I got a craft knife and trimmed off the excess. Once the letters were dry, I then glued them in place. I also added a very cute little bow to the top, as well as cutting out another one of those glitter bunnies, and I hot glued him to the right hand side. Now to add something extra to a throw pillow I already had, I cut out another little foam bunny and again with that adhesive spray, I positioned him in place. Now guys, unfortunately I had no more white pom-poms for his tail, but I'll definitely add one later on when I visit my local dollar store. But I absolutely love how these simple, inexpensive DIYs came, and I love that I could decorate for the season.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.
I love shopping at thrift stores, guys. There's so many amazing things that you'll find, and everything is so inexpensive. I love to take something old and make it brand new again, and I especially love making it glam for my home. Who knew that my cute little $5 stool from my local thrift store could come into my home and I give it that glam touch, as well as decorate it with some accents for the season. I absolutely love to share really easy and inexpensive DIYs with you. I know that we all try to decorate per season, but sometimes that can get really expensive. Here are some simple DIYs that you could have a go at this weekend. And the best part of all, it does not have to break the budget.
In front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to maybe go check out your local thrift stores. And you could do a DIY just like Shell, where you can create some cute little bunnies for your Easter decor.
We have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is real.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
My wildest dreams.